The history of pumpkins dates back over 5,000 years, originating in the Americas, particularly in the region that now comprises Mexico, southern United States, and parts of Central America. Native to the Western Hemisphere, pumpkins are part of the Cucurbitaceae family, which also includes squash, cucumbers, and melons. Early evidence of pumpkins shows that they were cultivated by ancient civilizations such as the indigenous peoples of North and South America. They were a vital food source for these communities, prized for their nutritional value and versatility. Archaeological findings suggest that pumpkins were domesticated in Mexico around 7,500 years ago, with evidence of their seeds found in prehistoric agricultural sites. As pumpkins began to spread throughout the Americas, different indigenous tribes discovered various uses for them. The soft, fibrous flesh was used for food, while the seeds were roasted and eaten as snacks. The flesh of pumpkins was also dried, ground, and turned into flour, which served as a staple in many ancient diets. The Native American people also recognized pumpkins for their medicinal properties, using them in various forms to treat ailments like digestive problems and fevers. The large, round fruits were not just a source of nutrition but also held cultural significance, with many tribes considering them symbols of fertility and abundance. In addition to their edible uses, pumpkins were sometimes used as containers, their hollowed-out shells turned into bowls, storage vessels, and even masks for ceremonial purposes. When European settlers arrived in the Americas in the 16th century, they encountered pumpkins for the first time and quickly adopted them into their own culinary traditions. Early European explorers took pumpkin seeds back to Europe, where the crops flourished and spread to other parts of the world. By the 17th century, pumpkins became a common crop in Europe, with people incorporating them into pies, soups, and stews. The pumpkin's ability to thrive in diverse climates and its storage potential made it an ideal food crop. As Europeans experimented with pumpkin cultivation, they began to refine the ways they cooked and prepared pumpkins, introducing them into their growing culinary repertoire. Pumpkins became increasingly important during the 19th century in the United States, particularly in New England. The creation of pumpkin pie, which became a symbol of American Thanksgiving, is one of the most iconic uses of pumpkins. This sweet, spiced dessert is deeply ingrained in the cultural fabric of the US and is associated with harvest festivals, family gatherings, and a celebration of abundance. With the rise of commercial agriculture in the 20th century, pumpkin production became widespread, with large-scale farms dedicated to growing pumpkins for food, decorations, and even research. Pumpkin farming became especially significant in the Midwest, where the climate proved ideal for growing the fruit in abundance. The advent of mass production also led to the commercialization of canned pumpkin, making the fruit accessible year-round. Today, pumpkins are used for far more than just food. While pumpkin pie remains a beloved dish, pumpkins are now integral to a range of global cuisines, from savory dishes like curries and soups to sweet treats like pumpkin bread and muffins. Pumpkins are also celebrated in cultural traditions worldwide, especially during harvest festivals and autumn celebrations. In addition to their culinary uses, pumpkins are carved into jack-o'-lanterns during Halloween, a tradition that originated from ancient Celtic practices in Ireland and was popularized in North America. Beyond their decorative and culinary uses, pumpkins are now used in the production of cosmetics, supplements, and even as a natural remedy for various health issues. Pumpkin seeds, known for their high nutrient content, are often used in oils and protein supplements, while pumpkin flesh is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. As a versatile, nutrient-dense crop, pumpkins continue to have a profound impact on both the environment and human societies, cementing their place as a global agricultural and cultural icon.